Hi, this video is to show you how to configure WordPress for Joomla after you've installed it. Basically, this video will show you how to set it up so that people can start reading your blog and you have the URLs as you want them. Okay, so to start off, right here I have a WordPress for Joomla component installed. I haven't done anything else. I just installed it into a fresh install of Joomla, and I'm looking at the dashboard. Okay, so to start off, I can click on view site to view my blog, and I can see my blog here, but nobody can really see the blog because nobody knows that it's installed because I don't have a link to it. So I'm going to go to the administration of my Joomla website, and I'm basically just going to create a menu item for this blog. And the type is of course just WordPress. And the title, I'm just going to name it blog. I'm going to save this, and I am going to go back to the front end to view my blog now. So there it is. Now people can start looking at the blog. The next thing that I'm going to show you, as you can see right now, the permalink or the URL structure for the blog is pretty ugly. If you have or don't have SEF URLs in Joomla turned on, and you want to turn them on for WordPress, what you'll have to do is two things. If you don't have them turned on in Joomla yet, you'll have to go to Joomla, and into your global configuration, you'll have to turn the SEF URLs on as well as mod rewrite. And mod rewrite is a requirement to use SEF URLs in WordPress for Joomla. The way that we created this extension, there's no other way to get the SEF URLs. So now that I have that set up in Joomla, I need to go to WordPress, and under my settings, I go to permalinks. And here I select the permalink structure that I want. So I'm just going to do the pretty standard one, which is day and name. I'll save my changes, and now I can go to the front end again. And now I'm going to click on my Hello World post, and now you can see that these permalinks are showing up correctly. The name of my blog, or the menu item, is blog, and then my permalink structure right after it. Pretty simple and straightforward. Now there's a few other things that I'm going to quickly run through. This over here is the WordPress sidebar, and it's the equivalent for module position in a Joomla template. Okay, these are widgets, which would essentially be modules. And the way that we can port this sidebar over to a module position in Joomla, WeCorePHP created a module in which you can put those widgets into that module. And I know it sounds a little bit confusing, so let me show you. I am going to install this module that I'm talking about into Joomla. Let me drag it into this folder. There it is. Mod WordPress sidebar 1. And this sidebar contains two different widget positions. Now I'll show you what I mean. Have to enable this module first. There we go. And if I look at the front end now, and this is not going to be styled right now, but it will by the time that we do our official release. As you can see, there's a few things that are incorrect. That there's an error there. I'm not completely done with this, but there's the sidebar, the widget position. And if I go to the blog admin, if I go under appearance and widgets, not themes. here we have essentially our module positions. Now that Joomla module that I just installed contains this primary widget area and the secondary widget area. The next four are positions that are on the footer on that WordPress template that you can or cannot use if you want. Now if you do install a different theme for WordPress, these module or these widget areas will change. These are only applied to the 2010 theme. Okay. And you can add and remove widgets as you please. So pretty simple. Now say you have that module position now in there in Joomla. Whoops. Open this in a new tab. You have this module position in Joomla, and you want to get rid of this one inside the WordPress template. What you'll want to do is we have an option here to remove this sidebar in content area. So you do no, save your changes, and now once we refresh, that sidebar is no longer there, and you get a one column layout for your content area. A few other options that we have here that only apply for the 2010 theme are to display the title and the description, which are, this is the title and this is the description. And we can either display that or not. We can display the header image if we want or not, and this is the header image, which you can change and customize for your theme. And we can either display or hide the blog menu. And this is completely up to you, whatever you want. We just give you the flexibility. And we also have a blog page width so that this WordPress template will fit inside just about any Joomla template that you can think of. You'll just have to play around with this width with the Joomla template that you have. Okay, so that really concludes this quick tutorial on how to set up WordPress. There's so many more things that you can customize for your blog, but you'll just have to go through them because I could talk for hours on that. So either way, thank you for watching.